Hey everyone, a lot of beginners want to try wrapping their cars themselves, but they don't always know what tools they need or how to use them properly. Today I'm going to walk you through all the essential tools for car wrapping and share some handy tips, so by the end you'll feel confident to get started. Alright, first up is the tool bag. This is where you can keep your wrap tools in one place. Things like the air release pen, tucking tool, utility knife, cutting knife, and squeegee. It keeps everything organized, easy to carry, and prevents your tools from scratching the wrap or getting lost. Next, the cutting knife. Use this to trim your wrap to the right size and shape. It's safer than a regular knife and helps avoid scratching the car paint. Keep the blade sharp and steady while cutting for clean, precise edges. The magnetic tool is a lifesaver if you're working solo. It temporarily holds the wrap in place on the car, letting you free up your hands to adjust or cut. This makes applying large sections much easier and more accurate. Before applying the wrap, you need a clean surface. That's where a microfiber towel comes in. Its fine fibers grab dust, water, and leftover cleaning solution without scratching paint. Use it to prep the car, remove excess water during installation, and do a final wipe at the end for a perfectly smooth finish. A screwdriver is useful for removing door handles, badges, or interior panels. Taking these off prevents wrinkles or lifting around edges and makes trimming easier. Some cars need Phillips, flathead, or Torx drivers, so having multiple types is a good idea. Now let's move on to the tools you use while wrapping. Masking tape has two jobs. It prevents wraps from sticking to each other, and it protects your paint when trimming edges. Its adhesive is usually safe, but don't leave it on too long, especially in the sun, to avoid residue. Make sure surfaces are clean and dry first. Soap solution, non-woven cloth, and spray bottle are usually used together. Dilute some soap on the cloth, spray or wipe on flat areas, and it temporarily reduces adhesive strength. This makes it easier to reposition the wrap. Avoid edges and recessed areas, or the wrap might lift. The squeegee pushes out air and water from between the wrap and the car surface. Use even pressure and avoid going over the same spot too much to prevent scratches or stretching. A heat gun softens the wrap for curves, corners, and recesses. It also helps the wrap remember its shape and secure edges. Keep the gun 5-10 salmon away, move it evenly, and don't linger in one spot. Digital heat guns help with precise temperature control. Always be careful to avoid burns or damaging paint and plastic trim. The utility knife is for precise trimming, cutting excess wrap, or cleaning edges. Keep the wrap stable, hold the blade at the right angle, and don't push too hard. Store it safely when not in use. The tucking tool helps press wrap edges neatly into seams and corners. Use gentle pressure, follow the seam, and apply heat if needed to soften the film. Always take care not to scratch the wrap or paint. The air release pen helps remove air bubbles. For stubborn ones, lightly score a tiny line in the bubble, then use the squeegee or your fingers to push the air out. This prevents wrinkles or scratches and keeps the wrap smooth. Finally, if you don't want to gather all these tools separately, we've put together a complete car wrap toolkit. You can grab it directly from our website, super easy and ready to go.